Let's be real, the modern job hunt can feel like an absolute battle. It's crazy fast, super competitive, and a lot of the time you feel like you're fighting against these invisible forces. So, what if you had a secret weapon? Something to give you a real edge. Let's dive in.
Have you ever felt totally lost in the job hunt maze? You're sending out what feels like hundreds of applications, trying to keep track of everything. It's so easy to feel like you're just running in circles. Trust me, if that sounds familiar, you are definitely not alone. In fact, these are the exact frustrations we all face. That struggle to build a resume that actually pops. That sting you get from a rejection by some automated system before a real person even sees your name. And oh my gosh, the sheer time suck of searching endless job sites and then trying to manage it all in some chaotic spreadsheet. It is exhausting. But what if there was a better way to do all this? What if you had an AI copilot for your career to help you navigate that maze? Well, that's exactly what we're going to break down today. Let's meet Jobari.
So, what is Jabari really? Well, think of it as an AI-powered platform built from the ground up to put you back in the driver's seat. It's designed to help you manage your entire job search from start to finish, all in one spot, and ultimately give you that crucial competitive edge.
Okay, so where do we begin? Well, everything, and I mean everything, starts with the foundation, your resume. It's your first impression, it's your ticket in the door. And this is where Jobpari really starts to change the game.
Getting started is actually incredibly simple. You just upload your existing resume. Jabari's AI immediately gets to work, pulling out all your key info, your work history, your skills, you name it. It's all then neatly organized in your My Documents hub, where you can keep different versions for different jobs.
And what if you're starting from scratch? No problem at all. Jabari's Resume Builder uses these simple, guided prompts to help you build a professional resume from the ground up. In other words, you can finally say goodbye to the anxiety of that blinking cursor on a blank page. Phew. And look, it's not just about what you say, it's how you present it. You get a whole library of professional templates, from slick executive styles to creative layouts. They look amazing, but here's the real magic. Every single one is designed to be perfectly readable by those annoying application robots. Speaking of robots, let's talk about the biggest, most frustrating, invisible barrier in the modern job hunt: getting past the filters. This is where so many amazing candidates get knocked out of the running before they even get a fair shot.
That barrier has a name: the Applicant Tracking System, or ATS. It's software that companies use to automatically scan, filter, and rank every application they get. Here's the kicker: if your resume isn't formatted just right or doesn't have the right keywords, it gets tossed into a digital rejection pile. A human recruiter might never even know you existed. This is the difference we're talking about. On the left, a pretty typical resume. Low score, formatting errors, it's getting filtered out. Now look at the right. After a few clicks in Jabari, your resume is optimized, the keywords are on point, and you're finally being seen by actual recruiters. It's night and day. So how does it do it? Well, the tool scans your resume. It suggests more powerful ways to write your bullet points, it highlights the exact skills and keywords you're missing for a specific job, and then it shows you your new, improved score. It's not just a number, it's a clear path to getting noticed. Okay, so your resume is now a lean, mean, robot-beating machine. Awesome. The next step is finding the perfect jobs. But what if, instead of you having to search for them, the right jobs could actually find you? This is your AI-curated job feed. Jabari takes your optimized resume and does the heavy lifting for you, scanning the big job boards. It then fills your dashboard with jobs that are a great fit, each with a really clear match score. You can see instantly which roles you should focus on, saving you hours of scrolling. So now you're finding great jobs, you're applying, and suddenly the chaos begins, right? Which resume did I send where? When do I follow up? Jabari turns all that mess into your own streamlined personal command center. And this is your application pipeline. It's a super simple visual way to track every single application. No more messy spreadsheets. You just drag and drop jobs from saved to applied to interviewing, you get the picture. It keeps all your notes and deadlines in one organized place. It's a game changer. And the platform is packed with other tools that round out your toolkit. You can instantly generate a tailored cover letter for a specific job, get to all your documents from one hub, and even get live career news and insights to stay ahead of the curve. So when you put all of these pieces together, you really start to see the bigger picture. Jobbery isn't just about helping you with the job search you're in right now. It's about giving you a system for your entire career. And this quote from the source material just hits the nail on the head. Think about it. There are resume builders out there, there are job boards, there are application trackers, but very few platforms do all of these things, and Jobari does them all together, cohesively, in one seamless experience.
And you can see how this whole journey builds over time. On day 1, you optimize your resume. By day 5, you're discovering jobs that are a perfect match. A couple weeks in, you're managing your entire pipeline. It creates this continuous loop of improvement and actual career management. And that's what this becomes. It's not just a tool you use once and forget about. It's your personal career operating system, powering every move you make.
Which really leaves us with one final question. Are you ready to trade that endless, frustrating search for a smarter, more direct way to actually connect with your next great opportunity?